Guys, John from Magic Tech Review, and over here playing with the Galaxy S9 and playing with my Emojis. So let's go ahead and get right started on the video. Go ahead and leave a like if you enjoy the content, subscribe, become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you guys think about this S9. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, like I said, this is the Galaxy S9. So we got the Galaxy S9 just installed here along with the Galaxy Note 8 right there. So we're going to take a look at this. So basically these are the features right here. This is going to be like a quick first impressions, not really too long of a video and whatnot, but there's your kind of specs, your personal AV avatar, stunning super low light camera and whatnot. You know, the phone does feel kind of like the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, so not much has changed there. The AR emoji part though is pretty cool. I didn't think it was going to be that cool or whatever, but let me show you here how to set it up, guys. It says create my emoji. You literally just go here and you just kind of give it a smile, then you hit your mail thing, you go there and it creates you a little emoji, and that's about it. Pretty fast and simple actually, and as you can see here, then you can customize them or whatever, you do different little things to them. So I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool that you can do the whole thing or whatnot, so that's pretty dope. I don't know what that whole thing at the bottom, oh, that's because I had my phone right there. But yeah, so I think this is pretty cool. You know, obviously you can get better pictures if you're doing it faster or whatnot, but I think that's pretty cool. So now that I've created it, so then you can, you know, play around or whatever, do whatever you want to do. This was another person's that was up here or whatever, and they were playing with it. So there you are. Wow. So yeah. Oh, okay. So you can actually talk like that and do facial expressions. Wow. So anyway, this is the Galaxy S9. So it's alright, I guess. You know, it's not as good as the presentation showed, but I'm sure that it'll get better and whatnot. But as we take a look around the phone real quick, fingerprint sensor is at the bottom there. We got your dual tone flash, or you got your flash right there, and then you got your heart rate monitor, of course, as usual. Then you got your USB-C type cord right there. So yeah, just excited that it's actually here. Excited for people to show. We're not going to be selling it for a while though. So basically it's just like a demo for people to actually play with and whatnot. So those are the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. I think if you got the S7, probably the S9 would be a good place to go. You know, S8 to S9, I'm not sure performance-wise how much of a bump you're gonna get, but is the AR emoji, you know, worth it? I don't know either. We can try to do that AR thing here as well. I might even title this thing "Playing with AR Emojis." So let's go. And let's try to do one again. So there we go. And I guess you can actually talk and do all that stuff, whatever. So here's what it looks like on the Galaxy S9. But yeah, so we'll just hit OK on that. Okay. So let's see what you can actually do with the actual emoji itself. Huh. I guess you have to turn it around. AR emoji. Okay, so I guess this is where you talk and whatnot. So okay, so this one seems to be a little bit more responsive as far as like talking wise. I think this would be kind of cool to like make videos with though. But anyways, guys, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Don't forget to leave that like as usual and comment down below what you think about these features. And yeah, So, boo, boo, boo. That's pretty cool. Alright, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.